Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fitness poster cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cutout option next to the logo button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the fitness poster cutout. Just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add the text to your project, go to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen and just write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and select another color. In the shadow section you can set shadows to your text. If you want to change the picture or want to add a new picture to your project or graphic elements, click to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can select another photo from your device. If you go to the doodle button, just select a color, and new you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find the different elements. For example, click to the stars, and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.